Hi everyone, welcome to this video. So in this video, we are going to solve one question, and that is basically nothing but a PYQ of your JEE main exam. Initially it was AIEEE, right? So as you can see on the board, it came in AIEEE 2010, and the question is from Ionic Equilibrium chapter. So first let's read out the question and then we can move ahead. So the question says at 25 degrees centigrade, the solubility product of magnesium hydroxide. So this question was from solubility product concept, right? Magnesium hydroxide is 10 to the power minus 11. At which pH will magnesium 2 plus ions start precipitating in the form of magnesium hydroxide from a solution of this magnesium 2 plus ions? Everything is fine. So how can we approach the question? Whenever you see any solubility product question, the very first task of yours is nothing but to write down or to break down the compound in different ionic forms. As for example, what is the compound given? Magnesium hydroxide. As soon as you see this compound, what you have to do is you have to just break down the compound. So if I just break down into different ions, it will become magnesium 2 plus 2 OH minus. This will be the ions, right? Now what is solubility product? It's KSP. Solubility product is nothing but the concentration of ions at equilibrium into concentration of anion at equilibrium. What is the basic difference between ionic product and solubility product? So both are nothing but the multiplication of concentration of cations with anions, but the basic difference lies in the concept of equilibrium. So solubility product applies for equilibrium, while ionic product applies for any random time. If you just take any random time, you will get ionic product. If you just take for equilibrium, you will get the solubility product. So this one is you can just derive this one, right? Now what are given? Let's see. So solubility product is given 1.0 into 10 raised to the power minus 11. So KSP is given. What else is given? So it's given the concentration of magnesium 2 plus ion, that is 0.001. This is also given. So that means Mg2 plus concentration is given 0.001 molar. Can I write as 10 to the power minus 3 molar? Yes, we can, right? So this is magnesium 2 plus ions concentration. KSP is given, yes. So we can just solve this. So this will be, therefore, what was the value of KSP? It was 10 to the power minus 11. 10 to the power minus 11 equals to magnesium 2 plus ions concentration. It was 10 to the power minus 3. 10 to the power minus 3 into OH minus whole square, or OH minus, it will be 10 raised to the power minus 11 by 10 to the power minus 3, and it will become 10 to the power minus 8. Now this was a square. So OH minus will become square root of 10 raised to the power minus 8, which is nothing but 10 to the power minus 4. So we got OH minus ion, that is hydroxide ion concentration, as 10 to the power minus 4 molar. So what will be POH? POH is nothing but minus log OH minus. It will be minus log 10 to the power minus 4. And we know 10 to the power something, and that power will come in front, right? And it will be minus of minus 4 log 10, and minus of minus 4 is plus 4, log 10 is always 1. So we got POH as 4. But what about the question? If you just look at the question, they are asking about the pH. The solubility product is at which pH? They are talking about the pH, not POH. And we know pH and POH is having a 14 value in total, right? At 25 degrees centigrade. So can we write? We know pH plus POH is equals to 14 at 25 degree centigrade. And we know the value of POH, right? That's 4. So pH plus 11 equals to 14. Sorry, it was 4. pH plus 4 equals to 11. So pH will be 14 minus 4, that is 10. So you got your pH value. Initially you got your POH, that is 4, and just subtract this from 14 and you will get your pH. Now let's check out the option. Do you have 10? Yes, we have 10. So your option is option C. So to see more videos like this, please subscribe and like this YouTube channel. Thank you so much.